Hello students, welcome in 7th maths class. Today we are going to learn banks and simple interest. A bank is a government recognized institution that carries out transactions of money. Banks make it easier to plan the use of money. We can either deposit cash money in a bank or withdraw cash from it. For that purpose, we must open an account in a bank. Bank accounts are of various kinds. First type is current account. A current account is mainly for traders and those dealing in money on a daily basis. An account holder can deposit or withdraw money any number of times in a day from this account. The bank issues a passbook for this account and also a checkbook on demand. The bank doesn't pay any interest on the money in current account. Money can also be withdrawn or deposited by check. Savings account. A person can deposit a minimum amount and open a savings account. In some banks, no minimum amount is required for opening an account. It is called as zero balance account. The bank pays some interest on the basis of the daily credit balance in the account. There are some restrictions on how often money can be withdrawn from this account. Means in a day how many times we can withdraw money is decided. For this account too, the bank issues a passbook and on demand a checkbook too. Third type of account is recurring deposit account. The account holder can decide the amount to be deposited every month in the account. The bank gives an interest on the deposit which is more than that paid for the savings account. Such an account is a means of compulsory savings. Often it is convenient to have a joint account for say husband and wife or guardian and ward, etc. Besides, accounts of business partners, housing societies, trusts of voluntary agencies, etc. are to be operated by more than one person. Fourth type is fixed deposit. A depositor deposits a certain amount for a fixed period in the bank. This deposit gets a greater rate of interest than the savings account. These rates are different in different banks. Senior citizens get a slightly greater rate of interest than the usual. Students, do you know this machine? Yes, it is automatic teller machine. By using ATM card, we can withdraw money without going to the bank from this machine. Bank issues ATM card on demand to the account holder. A credit card or debit card is used to carry out transactions without using cash. Amounts deposited, withdrawn, and the balance are recorded in passbook with their dates. We will see now a page of bank passbook. On 2/2/16, the amount deposited was 1,500 rupees and the balance 7,000 rupees. On 12/2/16, 3,000 rupees were withdrawn by check number 243965. The balance was 9,000 rupees. On 26/2/2016, the bank paid an interest of 135 rupees.